Step into the rugged world where nature and machines clash. The logging frontier. Here, brute force meets surgical precision as modern forestry machines rip through massive trees and slice hardwood like butter. With roaring chainsaws, unstoppable skidders, and mighty wood chippers, this is where man and machine rewrite the rules of timber harvesting. Get ready to witness power, precision, and technology like never before. Watch the raw power of a simple wood saw as it takes down a towering Douglas fir. With just a handheld chainsaw, the operator delivers a smooth, powerful cut through the giant trunk, showing how skill and tech combine in logging. Mounted on a Volvo 145 chassis, the Nasula 555C performs like a dream in the forest. Each cut is clean and fast, making timber harvesting incredibly efficient and showing off the best of modern forestry tools. In a chainsaw showdown, the Stihl MS-661 and MS-500i slice through the same large log. It's a battle of engines and blades, precision and strength on full display. One mistake and chaos follows. A tree is cut at the wrong angle and crashes down on a parked vehicle. The chainsaw operator quickly responds, cutting it apart to free the car in a tense rescue scene. Next, the super red Morantai wood is cut with a 42-inch bandsaw. It glides through thick blocks with precision, transforming giant logs into smooth planks in seconds. The LKT-81 is a beast in the forest, powered by a 290 horsepower turbo engine. It hauls massive tree trunks over rough terrain with ease, proving its unmatched pulling strength. A Mack truck charges through a river, loaded with heavy logs. It plows through the fierce waters like a tank, showing strength and stability in the wild. Using the Woodland Mills WG-24 mounted on a John Deere 1026R. Tree stumps are ground down effortlessly. The powerful design turns thick stumps into fine wood chips in no time. At a processing plant, the largest saw machine attacks logs with pure power. Cutting them into precision pieces. The transformation from raw timber to refined product is stunning. Ever wondered how rare, giant logs are processed? Watch as they're handled with expert care and converted into valuable timber products. Comment with a 1 if you find it fascinating. Incredible skills are needed to process a 5,000-year-old tree. A special cutter cleanly slices through the ancient log, each cut a testament to modern engineering. But even the best machines can get stuck. In a muddy forest, a log set forwarder 6F is trapped. The operator unloads logs and uses them for traction, smartly escaping the swamp. Need a high-performance bark stripper? The Cambio 80,000 with CIM 750 input makes stripping logs effortless and accurate, perfect for any lumber operation. Watch the giant Vermeer wood chipper devour logs in seconds. Its extreme power brings peak efficiency to the timber industry, making it a must-have on any job site. The John Deere 1710D handles difficult terrain like a pro. It navigates rocky paths and steep hills, harvesting and transporting timber quickly and safely. Finally, the Blacksplitter S1 makes quick work of tough logs. Its cone-shaped design splits wood into perfect firewood pieces, blending compact form with high performance.